Hello guys, welcome to our presentation and ito yung nagawa namin na laro. Explain po namin sa inyo.
Dungeon's Edge. Dungeon Edge 2D. Dungeon Edge 2D is a space top-down action survival game set inside a vast monster-infested dungeon. You play as lone hero, armed with powerful fireballs, sharp reflexes, and unbreakable courage. The dungeon is crawling with slimes, relentless creatures that chase you from every direction and attack the moment they get close. Outrun them, outmaneuver outmaneuver them, and burn them down before they overwhelm you. Scattered across the battlefield are treasure chests. Open them to collect healing potions, mana potions, and power up your fireballs. Manage your mana wisely. It fuels both your dash and your fireballs. Cut down 25 slimes and something far worse awakens the dungeon boss. A colossal creature with 20,050 HP, bone-crushing melee attacks, and devastating magic casts. Only the sharpest and bravest survive the dungeon. Defeat the boss, claim your victory. These are the groups that will develop this game.
How to play. Movement. W key, arrow up to move up. S key, arrow down to move down. A key, arrow left to move left. D key, arrow right to move right. Hold two directions simultaneously for the diagonal movement. Actions. Space for jump, left over or away from enemies. X for dash, burst of speed great for escaping constant MP. F for fireball, hurls a fireball in the direction you face. Goes 5 MP per shot. Damage is 1/7 depending on the power of your last open chest. Unlimited shots as long as you have mana. Mana. You start with 1000 MP sky blue bar under your HP bar. Mana does not regenerate on its own. Pick up mana potions. Sky blue glowing orbs. Drop from treasure chest. To refill each mana potion, restores plus 300 MP. Interaction. E for open chest. Stand near a treasure chest and press E. Rewards 1 HP potion red, plus 1 mana potion sky blue drop. Nervy plus upgrades your fireball power. 10 to 70% damage. Walk over an HP potion to instantly restore plus 40 HP. Walk over a mana potion to instantly restore plus 300 MP. Back to menu.
Game records, dito naka-save lahat ng mga data like date, time, duration, score, and result. Reset button, ito yung pwede mo pindutin pagka gusto mong ulitin yung buong data mo.
Pindutin yung start game para mag-start.
Search the key for up and down, left, right. You can use the D, S, W, and A. Tapos, ang game na to is all about papatayin mo lang yung slime. Very basic. Diba? Basic lang. 5 hits before the slime can kill. But it depends to chess. Yan. Ito, may nakuha tayo sa chess. Fireball power, 50% damage. So, yung mga slime dito, possible na 1 hit or 2 hit. Oh, 1 hit. Para habulin ka yan, lapitan mo lahat. Mamaya natin ipapakita yung full gameplay after nito. Inside our chest, there was HP and mana. Yung nabanggit nga kanina. X for dash, E for open chest, and there's mana pills. Every mana pills have 300 restoration for mana cost. Ganun lang. Restart button. Pag tinap nyo yung restart button, possible na maulit. Kung titingnan nyo sa time, meron tayong 1 minute and 46 seconds. 0.4. So, pag in-start natin siya, it's going to back to 0. Ayan. Another count ulit. And pause natin, press P or click pause to resume. Ayan, ganun lang. Main menu, babalik ka lang niya sa pinaka-main. Pag pumindot ka ng records, makikita mo lang yung mga records mo dito. Tulad niya, pagka nag-restart ka, hindi siya kumakagat. Need mo munang maglaro ulit. Yan. Tapos dito makikita kung ano yung naging tawag dito. Kung ano yung result. Ito natin maubos yung HP. Yan. Game over. The battle ends here. Sabi niya. Final score 0 kasi wala tayong pinatay. Time 16.8 seconds. Pag inokay natin siya, tapos nagpunta tayo ng records. Ito si records. Yung date niya, yung araw ngayon, 2026-509. Time 52. Duration 16.8 seconds. Score 0. Result loss. Pwede natin siyang i-reset. Tapos baka ulit tayo ng menu.